All right, it's ready to go here. I've got two straps on it. Hopefully the one in the front will keep it straight, because I think the front's definitely front heavy. I don't think the motor weighs enough to counterbalance, but we'll see. Say prayers. Okay, it's off the fixture. It's actually hanging. I gotta move fast, so going now. All right, have it sitting on its fixture on the table. Of course, it's still being supported by the hoist, and I'm getting ready to attach it back to the ram. All right, there it is. It's back on, ready to take the straps off. That was a big relief. I was a little worried about that one, but it looks good.